In this video, I will explain some problems related to power series. What values of x do the following sequence converges? Summation minus 1 power n minus 1 x power n by n equal to 1 to infinity. So let me take an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 by n. The general form is an x power n. So we can take an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 by n. An plus 1 equal to minus 1 n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 1 power n by n plus 1. So you take the limit value of limit n tends to infinity mod an plus 1 by an. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity. That is an plus 1 mod minus 1 power n by n plus 1 into n by minus 1 power n minus 1. So that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Minus 1 power n cancelled. N by n plus 1. 1 by minus 1. So modulus, therefore limit n tends to infinity mod n by n plus 1. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity n by n 1 plus 1 by n. That is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. That is equal to 1. So L equal to 1. So R equal to 1 by L, that is equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. So R, hence by ratio test, hence by ratio test, R equal to 1. So mod x less than 1, summation minus 1 power n minus 1 x power n by n is absolutely convergent. But mod x greater than 1, series is diverges. Next we need to check x equal to 1. X equal to 1, summation minus 1 power n minus 1 by n, 1 power, that is equal to summation minus 1 power n minus 1 by n equal to 1 to infinity. So n equal to 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus etc. This is alternative series. Alternative series. So it converges. Therefore, similarly, at x equal to 1, series an x power n is convergent. Next, n minus 1, x equal to minus 1, we take summation minus 1 power n minus 1 by n minus 1 power n. That is equal to summation minus 1 power 2n minus 1 by n. So that is equal to n equal to 1 minus 1 power 1, n equal to 2 minus 1 by 2, n equal to 3 minus 1 by 3, etc. That is minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus etc. So this series is diverges. All of you know minus summation 1 by n. This series is divergent. So at x equal to minus 1, summation minus 1 power n minus 1 x power n by n is diverges. So we can conclude minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, summation minus